is the video series for you. In this video, we are going to learn why learn Python. What is Python? This is the session 1. Watch the more and more session. If you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for the more updated videos. And what is the history of the Python? The Python was developed by Guido van Rossum at National Research Institute for Mathematics and Computer Science in Netherlands in 1990. I started developing this Python in 1989. Java is developed after the 7 years. After the 7 years, listen carefully. One of the two bridges in Python-based complex is called in Amsterdam, Netherlands. These are shape is like a Python. And hence the history of Python, and which the Rossum wanted the name of his new language. What is to be named? He has to, that must be short, unique and mysterious. So inspired by the Monty Python's Flying Circus, a BBC comedy series, he named his language Python. And the Python language is liked by a number of people, and name also is unique and mysterious. And following are some of the reasons why one should learn Python language. Python language is a simple and very easy to learn. For example, it has a simple syntax compared to other programming languages. Whatever the other languages are there, as compared to this, it's very simple. The Python is an object-oriented programming language. Oops. What oops? This object-oriented programming is the programming paradigm or pattern or model built on concept of the object that contain both data and code. It's both data and code to modify the data. So this object-oriented programming will include the development of the code of data and code to modify the data. So that is the object-oriented programming. So this is the use very easily, and it is used to develop the desktop standalone scripting applications. Number of applications are there. Friends, Python is also example of the free open source software. Due to its open nature, one can write program and can deploy and run on any platform like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu, Mac OS. You can see these images without changing the original program. Not necessary to change the original program. To learn this Python, there are large number of high-level programming languages such as the COBOL, C#, C, C++, Java are a few of many programming languages are there in their information and technology today. So the good news is all high-level languages, programming languages are very similar to one another. But what differs? What differs means what is the actual difference? क्या है? What is the difference in the Python and in the all the languages? और इसमें difference, if you are able to see, the main difference is the syntax and the libraries available, and the easy way we access those libraries. And it is not possible for the C. You have to write the different programming, large programming in the different languages. But here easily available libraries which will supporting, as we studied in the last video, of how the libraries are supporting for the return the programming code. Object code with support of the library code, you can executable program you can generate. Okay. And what will happen? The Python become a popular program because of the language used both the industry and academia. Because of its simpleness, concise, extensive support of libraries. See, these are the top Python libraries: PyTorch, TensorFlow, Learn, NumPy. This is the, we'll see what is the NumPy. Scrappy, Pandas, Keras. These are the top libraries used in Python. What is library? Library is simply a collection of resources or pre-written codes that we can use when we write our programs. These pre-written codes are very important that will be supporting. We'll see one example, simple. If you learn one language well, you can easily learn new language in a fraction of the time it took you learn the first language or second language. Okay, so friend, this is a very important. You learn one language at least perfectly, even though your background is of other than the computer science or the IT field. Even though you are mechanical or civil, any branch, they are not engineer. Then also you can learn one language perfectly. So friend, if you are new to programming, Python is a great place to start. One of the key features of the Python is its simplicity, making it ideal language for the beginner to learn. Most of the programming in Python requires considerably few lines of the code to perform the same task compared to other languages such as C. C is required number of lines. These are the lines for the programming, and in Python you can write with small code. So this leads to fewer programming errors and reduces the development time also. What is the benefit of that? We can reduce the errors and reduce the development time also. That's why Python is mostly preferred. In addition, Python comes with an extensive collection of third-party resources that can extend the capability of language. So we can increase that one also. Okay. So why use Python when there are so many programming languages? The well-known advantage of Python, which make it popular programming language, we'll see one by one 5 major reasons. Okay. Readability. Its readability is developers' readability of code is one of the most crucial factors in programming. The longest part of any software life cycle is maintenance. It's maintenance. Therefore, if software has a highly readable code, then it is easier to maintain. If we have to maintain the software. Okay. Readability also helps the programmer to reuse the existing code with easy to maintain, update their software. This readability maintain to easily update. And Python offers more readability of code when compared with the other programming languages. That's why the first major reason advantage for the Python. Next is the portability. Python is a platform independent, and that is program run on all the platforms, any platform like Mac or the Windows or the Linux, Ubuntu, like this. The language is designed for portability. So third one is the vast support of libraries. Already we have studied libraries. Python has a large collection of inbuilt functionalities known as standard libraries functions. The Python also supports various third-party software like NumPy. This is NumPy. NumPy is what? One of the library used. So Numi is an extension. NumPy is an extension that it provides support for large multi-dimensional arrays and matrices. Arrays, the number of words are there in this form, they are written in row. So this is the array. Okay, the A0, A1, A2, A3, like up to n numbers. The arrows we can use by using the NumPy. And matrices for 4 column or more than unlimited matrices, the number of columns and rows, we can use the matrices by using the NumPy. So friend, this is the example for the library. Software integration. Fourth advantage is software integration. An important aspect of Python is that it can easily extend, communicate, integrate with several other languages. Python can be integrated and communicated with that. For example, Python code can easily invoke libraries of C, C++ programming languages. It can also be used to communicate with Java, .NET components, and Python can sometimes act as an intermediary or agent between two applications. Friends, fifth and last one is the developer productivity. Compared to the other programming languages, Python is dynamically typed language, which means there is no need to declare variable explicitly. So how it is you can do, we'll see other videos later on. So again, there are various other features of Python due to which the size of code written typically smaller or half of the code written in some other languages such as C, C++, Java. If you written one page programming for Java, here we can cover the within the small code. Okay, and that's why it is easily maintainable and easily readable, and the platform you can run on the all the platform. These are the few advantages of the Python. That's why we have to learn. And what is Python? Already we have studied. And friend, as such, Python can be used large variety of tasks such as desktop application, database application, network programming, game programming, web development, and even in mobile development also. But not least, Python is a cross-platform language, which means that code written for one operating system such as Windows will work well on the Mac OS or Linux without making any changes in the Python code, or any Android, any of this one. Okay, be convinced that Python is the language to learn. So let's get started, and with the companies which are using this: Google, YouTube, and NASA, Reddit. Reddit is totally made with the Python. These companies, a number of companies are there. They may use primary language or secondary language, but intermediate language. But there is a Python they are using continuously, and this Reddit is the that company which is using the total based on the Python. Friend, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe for the more updated videos for the Python for mechanical engineers and many more videos. Watch, subscribe my channels. Thank you very much.